This is getting kind of big and hot. Ew, now the spa stinks. Yo guys, what's up? It's Ken's, and I know I finally got a video out. It's been a while. You've all been waiting. Get it? Cause like my cup, like I'm in a car and it's tires. Yeah, it's fine. All right, guys. Just spilled that. God. So, I'm in my car. Yeah, and I'm not gonna drive. So why the in my car? Well, I'm gonna turn my car into a spa. Yeah, that's what I said. Okay. First, with a spa, you need to set the mood. And I can't afford candles, so air fresheners, but not just air fresheners.
3 weeks later. Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
We're gonna light them on fire. We're gonna light them on fire so like they smell really good. Yeah. Smell that? That's burning cardboard. We'll just hang them up on the wall. Yeah, we're gonna decorate. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna decorate it like a spa because you don't just walk into a spa and you're like, looks like a car. Wow. So we're gonna decorate like a spa, that's right. I'm literally in the backseat of my car. You already know that. It's fine. Literally. I think personally we should do like a woods theme, you know, like everything's woods, you know, because like that's where you find nature, and that's where you really dig deep, you know, because nature is just one of a kind, and you just really feel yourself in nature. I love nature. I love nature. Well, the entrance right here, you know, like have a cool like entrance thing, and then back here we'll roll up the seat and put the spa. And we got these like little like ledge things. So we're gonna put some candles, and, you know. Yeah. Business in the front, party in the back. You know, like a jacuzzi and shit. Yeah. All right, guys. Wardrobe change. Didn't work. Hey! Alright guys, so wardrobe change! Yeah, I'm in spa clothes now. Yeah, I'm really bad at this. This is different lighting, different outfit, different camera view, different... I don't care. It's like 20 degrees outside, and my Jeep doesn't have heat, so this is great. Here we go to the spa. How are we going to do that? Oh fuck! What the am I? Hey guys! We're in the back! So every spa has like a pool, you know. So, I got a tote. Yeah, I know. Classy! Oh, God. Maybe I should have laid off that, It's fine, everything's fine. So, I got the spa here. Got the old tub, you know. Maybe I should like put this in here. Okay. First thing in the spa, oh my God, I am a mess. First thing I got for the spa is bath bombs. Because we're basic. Heck yeah. And, first to light the mood is I'm a broke air fresheners. Yes. my god, I know. So, got these little air fresheners here, and we'll just light the mood, you know? Because I really want to get, like, the mood going, because when you're, like, at a spa, there's always that mood, and I want the mood to be here, you know? I really want the mood. The mood of the spa is everything, because, like, in a spa, there's always a fire, and this is getting kind of big and hot. Ew, now the spa stinks. Okay, really bad angle, but hey, that's what we work with around here. So, gotta move my little bin. Here's my tote, you know, it's what we do. I'm gonna fill it with water, because we're classy. Oh my god. Keep in mind, it's like 30 degrees, it's fine. Ignore the water in the back, the spa is always noisy. As the jacuzzi's filling up, I'm gonna go through the things I got. So, since we're going with the apple theme, I bought a little area spray. This is candy apple. My car is gonna smell disgusting. It's fine. So, I'm gonna hang up the decorations, and I'll get back to you on that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is getting crazy in this spa. I think that my spa is really cute. I mean, we have blue water, and candles to fit the mood, and it's just really cool. That didn't go as planned, so it's fine.